Hello everyone. Today's topic is present perfect tense. Now, what are present perfect tense? They show action in the indefinite past. It also used to show action that began in the past and it is still continuing into the future. To make the present perfect tense, we use has or have plus the past participle. So the structure of the present perfect tense is subject plus has or have plus third form of verb, that is the past participle form plus object. Do you remember, children, that we change the past participle by adding ed to regular verbs? For example, play becomes played. But there are few verbs that change their spelling when you add ed to it. For example, study becomes studied. Just a reminder, children, has is added with the third person singular subjects like he, she, it. Let us take this example. He has won a prize. Then have is added with I, we, you, they and all the plural nouns. For example, they have cleaned the utensils. Now, where are these present perfect tenses used? Now, let us read these sentences, children. I have just received the letter. It is expressing an action that has been recently completed. Mr. Hamish has gone to Japan. It is telling the past action whose time is not given. You might have gone in any month or year. I have seen this picture several times. Here it is describing a past experience. He has worked in the school for 5 years. Here again it is expressing that an action that began in the past and still continuing. That is, he is still working. Understood, children? Now let us quickly do this worksheet. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. The boys dash their answer sheets. The verb is hand. The boys have handed their answer sheets. The trees dash blooming. The verb is start. The trees have started blooming. I dash confirmation of the news. The verb is receive. I have received confirmation of the news. We dash in the city for 20 years. The verb is live. We have lived in the city for 20 years. She dashed the first prize for her performance. The verb is win. She has won the first prize for her performance. The boys dash their meals. The verb is eat. The boys have eaten their meals. The lions dash the bison. The verb is kill. The lions have killed the bison. The spider dash its web. The verb is weave. The spider has weaved its web. The child dash his homework. The verb is do. The child has done his homework. I dash the table. The verb is lay. I have laid the table. Now let us quickly change these sentences into present perfect tense. I go to shop. I have gone to shop. We buy the tickets. We have bought the tickets. My friend arrives now. My friend has arrived now. He delivers the parcel. He has delivered the parcel. You threw the cap into water. You have thrown the cap into water. My sister returns from Meerut presently. My sister has returned from Meerut presently. Oliver knew William since 1980. Oliver has known William since 1980. James hates cheese since childhood. James has hated cheese since childhood. So I hope the concept of present perfect tense is clear, children. Learn the structure thoroughly, and here is a worksheet for you to practice. Thank you.